Good morning, everyone. Welcome to my channel. So it is 6 in the morning, and I'm going out on a ride. So this is what I do basically on my week off, because on during the week offs is when I get time in the morning, since I'm doing morning shift. So I prefer taking my cycle out as quickly as possible and then go out on a ride. So that's exactly what I'm doing now. This is my lane. This is where I live in. Capture a short video. And here I am on the main road, and it's really a nice road. At one end you have the flyover, at the other you have the giant big green trees. I really enjoy this ride. In fact, this is the same route that I take to my office as well, because I usually commute to office in cycle. And this is the same route that I take, so I'm quite familiar with this route and I always enjoy my ride. And this particular stretch, this particular road is it's not people they take to the flyover that you can see at the left side. So this road is not quite occupied, so that gives me a lot of ease and a lot of time also to see around and enjoy the greenery and ride with comfort. Yeah. So I thought of going for a long ride. So here I am. And do you see that blue bike, that blue color bike? It is basically the Yulu bike. So you can see this bike parked anywhere and everywhere in Bangalore. It is a great initiative by Yulu. So earlier they started with the cycle, and that was a great success. So soon after they launched the bike, these are the electrical mopeds. So all you have to do is you have to just download the app, pay some money, upload your driving license, and there you are. You can pick up the bike and you are good to go. And even this route that we're seeing right now is the same route that I take to my office. So basically, the route that I'm taking that leads to my office. If I ride for about another 5-6 kilometers more, I'll reach my office. And this is one of the Yulu docks. This is where in docks like this they place quite a few bikes, so people can come and pick up the bike and go for a ride. Yeah, so it was cold and breezy in the morning, and I really enjoy such weather. It really feels nice to ride in such an environment. Yeah, so yeah, it was a great ride. Like every morning ride that I enjoy, it was a great ride. So I'm out on a morning ride. I'll show you my cycle. That's the one. So it's been about an hour I have been cycling. Today is my week off, so I thought let me just go out and take a ride. I look forward to my week off, when I get time in the morning basically, so that I can go for a good ride. Not sure if you can see me, but I'm sweating at the moment. And I'm standing outside the Lowry College. You can see, I guess. Alright, so I'll be going back home now. It's been about an hour, in fact more than an hour, so I'll be going back home. But I'll take you to a flower market. And on the eve of Janmashtami, while coming I saw they were selling a lot of flowers, and there was a lot of crowd also. So that market is very popular. A lot of people throng to that market to buy, flowers and puja stuffs. So I'll take you there. I'm sure you're gonna enjoy it. And over here I can see there is a metro bridge. Construction is also ongoing, and I'll pan the camera and I'll show that to you. And I'll show you a bit more about it also. So let's go for a ride. Okay, I'm not wearing a camera, so I will not be able to show you the entire ride, but wherever I stop, I pause, then probably I can switch on my camera or my phone, and then I can show you. Okay, so that's the way ahead. We'll be going that way, so come along. Thank you. So that's the flower market I was talking about. You can see a lot of vendors selling varieties of flowers and other puja stuffs. It is on the occasion of Janmashtami, so there was a lot of crowd, so I couldn't go in. Probably I could have shown much better, but it was quite a lot of crowd, so I thought, it's better not to go in and cause an inconvenience to other people since I was carrying a cycle. Right, so just take a glimpse of it. Alright, so here we are. So this is the route I'll take back home. And do you see those two tall pillars? So basically those two tall pillars, they are holding the flyover, and hence it is called as the hanging bridge. Quite a marvel of engineering. And this is a field that falls on the way. You see, it's quite a lush greenery and full of trees and bushes, and wherever you see, you can only see greenery. It's a giant tree. I thought of taking a good capture of it and share it with you. And there you go. You see the view. It looks really beautiful, right? It looks picturesque. You can see the bushes, the trees, the plants, the vegetation everywhere, and the field in between. That's a very big field. Not sure if you can make it out over the phone, but then if you look at it live or in reality, it's a very big field. A lot of people found here to play and do their morning exercises, but you can't see anyone because of the COVID-19 situation. It is closed. Okay, so we'll start home now. Now here I come to my favorite stretch. This stretch of the road is my favorite because it's a down slope, so I really don't have to pedal much. I don't have to put much of an effort. You just pedal a couple of times and that's it. Your bike will pick up speed and you'll have a free fall, a free flow in fact. You see, so I'm just enjoying the ride. This is the same route. Even again, it is the same route that I take to office. So I'm quite fond of this stretch because of the free flow that it gives me. You can enjoy the air, you can enjoy the ride, you can see around without doing anything really. Yeah, and the view is nice because either side of the road you have trees and the small stalls. And look at the maneuver that I'm doing. It is a very bad thing to do. Did you see there was a chair and there was the bus, and in between there was a very narrow space, and I shot through this, so it was not really nice. I'm very sorry. I wouldn't repeat it, and I suggest no one to do it either. So I'm reaching near ITI colony. This is where I'll be taking a left to go home. If I take a left, I'll be reaching home probably in 15 minutes. And if you see the road, just look right across, you'll see the flower market I was talking about, where I had been just now. Yeah, can you see the vendors right across the road? Yeah, so it is just the other side of the road, and there isn't a way you can cross the road, so you have to take a U-turn. And this is the same bus that I maneuvered. I'm not really sure if it is the same bus, but it looks like. Here I took the left, and I'm entering the ITI colony because to reach home I'll have to enter this colony. And at the left side there is a park. It's a beautiful garden. I often come here with my son so that he can enjoy. There are stuff for children to play with, so my son loves coming here. And this is the ITI circle. It's a very nice place. You have very good eateries, and if you are fond of coffee, a great coffee, then you must hop into this place because you have a couple of shops selling very good coffee in cost-effective rates. So it's a really nice place. And these are the ITI quarters. These are the government quarters for the ITI employees. And you can see there are giant trees on the either side of the road. Yeah, it feels nice, right? Because when you are surrounded with greenery, it always feels nice. You feel relaxed, you feel de-stressed, and you enjoy whatever you are doing. Because during summer it gives you shade, during rain it gives you cover, and even at normal times it makes you feel better. And that's the beauty of being in the midst of trees. So it won't take long from here for me to reach my home. It was a great ride, I can say. And I don't know if you are into cycling, but if not, you must, because it's a great thing to do. You would enjoy it like anything. And I stopped here just to have a cup of tea because it was a cold morning and it was breezy also, and I was sweating a lot, so I thought nothing better than a cup of coffee to warm me up. I'm sorry, cup of tea. So yeah, I'm very much fond of tea. Yeah. So here I reached home. It's about 7:30 in the morning. I've got milk, I've got newspaper, everything ready. So I'll just park my bike and I'll just get freshen up and I'm good for the day. So thank you so much for joining me. Thanks for watching me. If you have any feedback, please share it with me. And please don't forget to subscribe, share and comment. Thank you so much and you have a good day.